Okay, so we found this hummingbird. We think it's still alive. Yeah, it's still alive. Poor buddy. Our cat got it. So, I guess we're gonna kill it to put it out of its misery. Because we think it has lots of internal damage. We're gonna give him a full old grave. I just feel so bad for him. We're gonna kill it humanely. I don't know how yet, but we are. I'm not gonna show that, of course. But it's kind of sad because I don't want to kill it, but I know it has to be killed. It's gonna die eventually, but it looks like it's pain. It's in pain, so we're most likely gonna kill it. Just so it's not in pain. So, this sucks. Sorry. Can I name you? I'm gonna name you Larry. Oh my God! Look at it. I'm so sorry, Larry. I'm sorry.